The story of Karataş began when its founder, Ziver Karataş, stepped into Istanbul in 1955. Our core values such as determination, diligence, and sacrifice shaped our journey. These values have led our company and us to make significant contributions to ensure a lasting legacy for future generations. Building on the foundations of our heritage, we established the Karataş Group companies. Our strategy is driven by the vision of growing our companies, institutionalizing them, and passing them on to future generations. With investments made and strategic initiatives taken by our leadership within the last 10 years, we have transformed the Karataş brand into a leader of our industry in Turkey. Karataş Group companies, preparing for the future with every step they take, now stands out in the fields of flat steel and pipe profiles. Karataş Steel Service Center. We performed our prime flat product sales at the Steel Service Center with 120,000 tons by the end of 2022 and to increase our transaction volume exponentially in the coming years. Steel Service Center number 1. Slitting line, installed in a closed area of 2,450 square meters, has an annual slitting and packaging capacity of 93,000 tons, with a maximum width of 1,880 millimeter between 0.25 and 3 millimeter. Steel Service Center number 2. Cut-to-length line, installed in a 2,000 square meter closed area, has an annual cutting and packaging capacity of 100,000 tons, with a maximum width of 2,000 millimeter and a maximum length of 12,000 millimeter between 1.5 and 6 millimeter thickness. Steel Service Center number 3. Cut-to-length line, installed in a closed area of 1,700 square meters, has an annual cutting and packaging capacity of 100,000 tons cold-rolled, galvanized, and pickled steel with a maximum width of 1,800 millimeters and a length of 6,000 millimeter between 0.30 and 3 millimeter thickness. Steel Service Center number 4. Cut-to-length line, installed in a 1,700 square meter closed area, has an annual cutting and packaging capacity of 150,000 tons, with a maximum width of 2,000 millimeter and a maximum length of 12,000 millimeter between 8 millimeter and 25 millimeter thickness. Karataş Logistics and Warehousing. We provide logistics, transportation, handling, and storage services in an area of approximately 10,000 square meters, with investments we have made in multiple locations for logistics and storage works, which have become increasingly important in recent years and for which the whole world is looking for solutions. We continue to expand our investments in this area. We carry out 250,000 tons of production and sales activities annually with 13 semi-trucks, 6 dump trucks, 10 flatbed trucks, 2 platform trucks, 6 mobile cranes, and 4 system platforms scrap transport vehicles. Karataş Makine. Karataş Makine, which was established to produce machines planned to be built for processing flat steel products, which are part of our product range, is our way to the digital age with its strong staff and high-capacity machines. CNC laser cutting machines is the flagship products from Karataş Makine, are capable of addition to all sectors where flat steel is used as a material. Karataş Second Choice Product Sales. The Second Choice Product Sales Department, where Karataş pioneered the sector by bringing a corporate approach, has improved itself and has become the largest second choice product sales department in Turkey. It has proven itself here as well as by distributing the products it purchases from Turkey's largest manufacturer of coils, flat products, pipes, and profiles all over. Second Choice Product Sales Department has the capacity to sell 30,000 tons per year. Central Steel Service. Sheet metal processing and window reinforcement profile manufacturing, 2,460 square meter closed area. Cut-to-length machine. Length cutting capacity of 7,000 tons per year with a width of 1,500 millimeter between 0.30 and 4 millimeter thickness. Slitting machine. Slitting capacity of 12,000 tons per year with a width of 1,500 millimeter between 0.35 and 3 millimeter thickness. Reinforcement profile manufacturing. Production capacity of 1,200 tons of window reinforcement profile per year between 0.50 and 2 millimeter thickness. Islamköy Second Choice Center. In a closed area of 2,710 square meters, 6 cut-to-length machines have the capacity to cut to length, package, and handle 17,000 tons of sheet metal per year, with a thickness between 0.25 and 6 millimeter and a width of up to 1,500 millimeter. In Karataş's Second Choice Center, annual handling and packaging capacity of 30,000 tons of sheet metal with thicknesses between 0.30 and 6 millimeter, with 2 straightening machines in a 1,200 square meter closed area. Karataş Recycling Facilities. Karataş has been a business partner with the largest companies in our country in the field of flat and long products for years. It makes a significant contribution to the country's economy with its recycling, upcycling, and handling capabilities. Pipe cutting and metal scrap pressing area in 5,000 square meter open area. It has an annual pipe cutting capacity of 100,000 tons. 3 scrap presses in the area produce 12,000 tons of 50 by 60, 8,000 tons of 40 by 40, and 8,000 tons of 30 by 30 cube-shaped scrap annually. The presses are operated with a completely customer-oriented working principle. As Karataş Group of companies, we are aware of our social responsibility and attach great importance to it. Built and donated to the state as a public school, a 24-classroom primary school. It was named after our founder and his wife as Ayşe Ziver Karataş Primary School. It has been providing education to our local community of Gemlik since 2011. In 2022, we donated to the Muhiten Karataş Woodworking Skills Workshop to our school. Every year, we regularly provide scholarship opportunities to dozens of students whose names we keep confidential. In 2016, we had the Ayşe Ziver Karataş Mosque built and donated to the state to serve the local congregation. We will continue to give back to the community and fulfill our social responsibility. At the Adding Value to the Economy Awards ceremony organized by the Bursa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, our company has continually proven its leadership in its field by receiving the Environmental Sector Leader Award 5 times in a row in 2018, 19, 20, 21, and 22. We continue to improve our ranking every year and are among the top 250 companies in Bursa. Our story, which started with wheat in 1955 with the slogan, "My greatest asset is my patience," continues with olives without compromising on honesty and integrity. We will continue from wheat to olives.